Welcome to this video today, which is all about one of the most famous speculators of all time. His name is Jessie Livermore. What I want to do is cover his trading history and what we can learn from him. And also I want to talk about the book which was written about his life, his trading career on Wall Street, which is called Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, which is widely acknowledged as one of the greatest trading books of all time. And it's a wonderful book. Most of the top traders in the world, if you could ask them, what's your favourite book or a book you'd have in your top 10, nearly all of them will have Reminiscences in their top 10. Great book. What we'll do is discuss it a little bit later. I've also got my favourite quotes from the book as well. But let's look at Livermore first of all. In terms of his trading career, he was renowned for making fortunes on Wall Street. He built three huge fortunes, and I mean huge. I'll give you the last one that he built was basically at the time of the 1929 crash, which short the stock market. 7 days later he walked away with $100 million. Now, to put that in context, in today's money, that would be worth about $5 billion. Now, consider that George Soros in his trade that broke the Bank of England, which was a very famous trade, only netted $1 billion. That's a fifth of what Livermore made. Now, when I say he built fortunes 3 times, he did, but he lost all the money each time back to the market and ended up with nothing. Many people have called him the greatest speculator ever. I just don't think you can call him that. Okay, yes, he did make huge amounts of money, but he could never hang on to it. So he can't be considered the greatest speculator of all time, in my view. But in terms of Livermore, the way he made his money, a lot of people discuss his trading strategy and trading method. He did undoubtedly have a wonderful ability to read price action. But he was also helped out by, in those days, Wall Street. There wasn't really any regulation. Insider dealing was common, so was the manipulation of stock prices. If he was around today, he would be in jail. In fact, after he lost his last fortune on Wall Street, regulation was becoming tighter, and he realised that his tactics would no longer work. So he decided that it was just time to go. He committed suicide. He shot himself in the head. Now, in terms of Livermore, what is really fascinating about it is when you read the book, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, and the guy who wrote it, Edwin Lefebvre, had interviewed Livermore at length. It's just how the way he talks about trading resonates with anyone who has traded. The emotions you feel, it just really is a fantastic insight into trader psychology. In terms of Livermore, I think deep down he knew that he was emotionally flawed. He had a massive ego, for example, which prevented him from protecting his profits when he had them. His ego was so big. I'll give you an example. When he used to drive in from his house in Long Island, New York, down to Manhattan, he would have the council basically change the traffic lights to green in advance to let his Rolls Royce go through. He was also a womanizer. He had numerous affairs, despite the fact he was married. He was also an alcoholic as well. Very addictive personality. But I think he acknowledged those flaws, and they definitely come over in the writings that are in Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. When you read it, you really get the insight into the emotions that traders feel. If you've never traded, go and read it, and you'll think it's a good book. Come back after you traded for a while, and all the wisdom in the book will actually resonate with you in terms of not cutting losses, not running your profit far enough, taking impetuous trades, etc. In terms of Livermore, he had quite a sad life, really. He never really found happiness despite all his wealth. Even in his private life he never did either. So he is a person, I think, that any trader should go and study, because I don't think there is a better book really putting over what trading is all about better than Reminiscences of a stock operator. Now, what I'm going to do now is just play out with some of my favourite quotes from the book. You'll notice actually when you read them, trading back, all those years ago, it's actually no different to trading today. What separates out winners from losers is emotional control and discipline. So here are the quotes. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you for watching me as usual. Take care. Have a good day.